Hello, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we are back with another OEB video. Throughout this video we are going to talk about OEBs. So let's get started. So today our topic is why do we need OEB? OEB provides a frame to prevent worker health from chemical exposure indeed when certain information on the chemical is lacking. Although a OEB is not a cover from an OEL. Creating an OEB is a step toward securing workers from chemical and may also help occupational health organizations emphasize developing OELs for the chemicals mentioned above. Subscribe today so you don't miss our upcoming content. So every Thursday we'll post our OEB video content. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and also comment on our channel. So thanks for watching.